Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am going to show you science activity. For science activity you have to take water, lemon, spoon and turmeric, some detergent. First you have to do, take spoon, take some turmeric powder, put in it and mix it well. After that you have to take some detergent in it and put in it. And now you can see that its color become red. Now take lemon and do this. And mix it well. And now here you can see that it become turmeric powder like water. So hope you guys have you enjoyed this video. Till then I meet next Sunday. If you like this video then do like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.